All right, y'all. So right now I am outside.
We outside
Of tomato Japanese food grocery store right off Windy Hill in the Marietta Metro Atlanta area. It's a Japanese owned grocery store, family owned. I'm about to get a bunch of stuff, get some snacks. I really want to make ramen this weekend too, so I got my little ingredients mask. I'm gonna show y'all the outside, put on my mask, and let's see what they got. Grocery store. Where's the entrance? Got my ramen list. Let's go. Hello. Oh, get my little buggy. All the different Kit Kats. Oh my gosh. What is this? Bro. Strawberry and milk Kit Kat. Oh, we're gonna try that. Let's get 2 flavors of Kit Kats. Chestnut. I ain't never had a chestnut. Bro, sweet potato Kit Kat? Bro. Okay. Oh, these are fire. The pineapple is my favorite. But let's try a new one. Oh, these ones, is this a mixed bag? This bag has grape, muscat, white grape, strawberry. Yeah, we'll try this. Kind of want to try the watermelon too. Well, this one has look at all these mochi. This is interesting. What's this? Peach? Wow. About these shrimp chips. Ooh. Hey, excuse me. How are these shrimp chips? Have you tried these?
Yeah, where is it? The original.
You always get the original?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let me try that. Thank you. Oh. Are these, is this sake?
Duh.
Okay, what do you recommend, man? I love sake.
is it like you like sweet like flavor? Or
I like flavored sake.
Flavor sake, so we have like.
I think I might have had this Nagori before. Is this apple?
No, there's
No.
a mango.
Mango, okay.
This is mango.
I've
and
had this
strawberry.
one. This one's
Yeah.
good.
And then we have a tangerine too.
Is this pretty good too?
Yeah, this one and this one is like really popular.
Okay. What would you have for non-flavored sake? Like if I was gonna heat some sake up?
Non-flavor. I like this brand like either like Otokoyama, like these two,
Mm-hmm.
or like Hakkai-san.
Hakkai-san is good too?
Yeah.
Okay. What are the differences in taste in your opinion?
To me like it's same, but it's
Yeah.
just like different brand. So
Okay.
yeah.
Which one's your go-to? Your
I
favorite?
would go with Otokoyama.
This one here?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Do that. All right. Okay, man, I think I'm ready. Oh, these are vegetable seeds?
Yeah.
Oh. Cucumber seeds, onion seeds.
Thank you.
Okay. Thanks, man.
Have a good day.
You too.